Hello and welcome everyone. Our today's question is number of rectangles in a circle. So this question is also geometric problem. So suppose we have a circle of radius 2. So I am making a circle. We have to find out how many rectangles of different sizes can we cut out in this circle. So the maximum rectangle is this here, and the smaller rectangles we can find out. So as you can see, this is the height and this is the width and this is the hypotenuse, and this is also a diameter of the circle. So this maximum value must be 2 cross I. The hypotenuse of a rectangle must be smaller than or equal to 2 cross r. So r is the radius and 2 cross r is the diameter. So while finding height and width, we can find out the hypotenuse. So its formula is hypotenuse is equal to height square plus width square. So we can write it like this: height square plus width square under root. So we will take it as a double, and this height value must be smaller than or equal to 2 cross I. If it is, then we can cut out this rectangle. So this question is simple. So let's jump into the code. So we have answer variable, start a loop from 1 onwards, and the maximum is 2 cross r. This is the height and this is the width. So in total, this formula value, which is equal to height square plus width square under root. So we will convert this into double. So this value must be equal or less than 2 cross I. So if it is, then we can cut out this rectangle and we will increment our answer. So this question is simple and its time complexity is r square and space complexity is constant. So I hope you have understood the question. If you have, then please consider subscribing this channel, and thank you all for watching this video.